Next, find companies in your niche that offer affiliate programs. Look for reputable companies that align with your values and interests. Many businesses, big and small, have them. Research is key. Take your time to compare different programs, read reviews and understand their terms and conditions. Find programs that fit your niche and offer good commissions. Look for programs that provide valuable resources and support to help you succeed. Now, you're ready for the next step. With your niche and affiliate programs chosen, you're well on your way to building a successful affiliate marketing business. Stay motivated and keep learning. Honesty is important in affiliate marketing. Only promote products you genuinely believe in. If you love a product, your enthusiasm will show. People will trust your recommendations more. Remember, your reputation matters. Choose products that provide value to your audience. It builds trust and leads to long-term success. Once you've chosen products, it's time to join their affiliate programs. Most programs have simple online applications. After approval, you'll get unique affiliate links. These special links track your referrals. Keep your links organized. Now you're ready to start promoting. Sharing your links is crucial for earning. The more visibility your links get, the higher the chances of generating sales. Use different methods to reach your audience. Diversify your approach by leveraging various digital marketing channels such as email marketing, social media, and even paid advertising. Create helpful content around your chosen products. Write blog posts, film videos, and develop tutorials that provide value to your audience. Share on social media. Be engaging and informative. Interact with your followers by responding to comments and messages, and build a community around your content. Help people understand why they need the product. Explain the features and benefits clearly, and provide real-life examples or testimonials to build trust. The more you share, the higher your earning potential. Consistently monitor your performance and adjust your strategies to maximize your results. This is just the beginning of your affiliate marketing journey. Remember, success takes time and effort. Be patient, learn continuously, and stay dedicated. Start building your passive income stream today.